So hello again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um, and I want to thank all of those. One second. So yes, so hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'd like to thank all of those who has continued to continue to support the channel, and also for who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also, as you come in, like the video, like, share, and subscribe to the video. It costs nothing to subscribe to the video. So I'm going to be showing some clips of work that previously done and service work.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. In today's video, I'm basically going to be tying in my neutral onto the neutral bars. As you can see, these neutrals that I have twisted, they're going to be basically circuits where I do not need an arc fault. And whatever I don't have twisted is going to go onto a special breaker. The reason for the neutral is basically going to power up. You have your power wire, which is this, and you have your neutral wire, which is this. So without this wire, your circuits will not work. So it's very important to have these wires tied into your breakers. Sorry, it's very important to have these wires tied into your neutral bar. That way that your circuit will work properly. Without this and just this, the circuit will never power up. I'm going to take this wire, I'm going to the back of the panel.
Up Movement TV, and good morning to you, Sasha Ice. Thank you guys all for checking in to the live. I'm just running a little bit late, and so I decided I was going to run some videos. Um, so it's basically service work that I have been doing for years now. Um, so what makes service work unique is as you the years that you are more knowledgeable, you start to learn easy ways to do stuff. That makes it very easy for you to remove the yes movement. I miss your life. There, I was checking for you all morning and didn't see anything. And finally, I went back and I think your life was just maybe like 5 minutes finished. Um, I figure you probably wasn't going to come out to do the live because I know you normally go around like 9 or so. So sorry about that for missing your live. Um, so again, yeah, I figured that, like I said, I was checking all morning and I didn't see anything, and I figured either you weren't going to do it or you were running late, wasn't sure. But again, thank you guys for checking in to the live. Much appreciated for the support of the channel. Um, and so I'm just running some clips like I normally do when my videos come back. I explain what's going on. So it's something that I've been doing for the last maybe week and a half now, and seems to be working. So I'll stick with it. So I'll run another clip. It's just for people also who hasn't seen the videos from last night. I'll run back some of those videos also.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Family Electrical Services Inc.
Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. And in today's video, what I'm simply doing is preparing my wires for the installation into the panel. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video. And also for who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and hit the notification button. Make sure it's turned to all. Also, please, you can also like and share the video. And I will catch you guys on the next video. So what that was me doing some installation of the service in the main electrical room. I do hope you guys can hear me. So I was doing some electrical work. That's the main service inside the electrical room. And so again, those straps that you saw me put in on the wires, it's required by code. Every certain amount of um, start off with, I believe it's every inches or every meter or so. Sorry, every meter or so. You put a strap. And, it helps support the wires. It is a code rule. And when it comes to st- strapping the cables, um, because it's sorry about that. Because it's concrete block wall, you have to put some type of protection between the block wall and the wires. And the sheet of plywood is there for that reason. It's weather resistant, weatherproof plywood. So I'm going to run another video. Um, and like I said, I'll come back, explain um, what I'm doing. And
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, another video of me simply prepping my wires for the installation into the panel. So all those who haven't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. Also, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and you can also like and share. Make sure your notification is turned to all. That way, once I drop my videos and I do my live streams, you can receive the notification. And I will see you guys on the next video.
So again, that was service work that I was doing. Basically tying in my wires into the panel, um, labeling my wires accordingly. That way I know once I'm ready to uh, call for final, my wires are all labeled. Um, it's also important to remember that. And again, Movement and Sasha Ice, thank you for the on the congratulations. Much appreciated. So I'll run another video. So again, I'd like to thank all those who has checked into the channel to share the support, and also for all those who are watching uh, who are not subscribed to the channel. The speed limit is 60 kilometers per. You can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification is turned to all. You can also like up the live; it's free. You can also share the video, and I'll run another video. That video was basically for all those who has missed the previous lives that I've shown it. Simply a video of taping up the un, unidentified conductor, which is the white wire. Normally, that wire has to be identified with strips of white tape and electrical white tape. So that's the tape that I'm using to identify it. It's also a rule in the code book that states that it has to be identified um, at all times. So, um, reason being is that wire goes onto the neutral bar, and I'm figuring that they don't want no issues when it comes to mixing wires and making a mess. Um, Also, like I said, these cables are different to what we normally use when it comes to identifying the white cable. Um, you can use it in the pipe. Obviously, you'll pull your normal white cable. However, this cable is a different type of cable, and it comes with three black cables and one ground. And for that reason, you have to identify the neutral. So I'll run another video, and I will come back and explain in the video what work I'm doing. And so that was the two videos that I just played. Also, good morning to you, Tim. Thanks for checking into the live. Always appreciated when you check into the live and show the support of the channel. So the previous video, two videos, you would have seen one of them where I was tying my wires into the ground, the lugs. Those are lugs, and there is a rule on the torquing of the lugs. Um, there's a torque rule on that, so you will see me torquing my wires to have them tight enough. That way, there's no loose connections coming apart, flying around inside of the main compartment. So for that reason, there is a torque rule, and you normally have to go by that. Also, in the second video, you will see me putting on my ground screws, my ground clamps. They're called grounding clamps. Um, so the reason why we use grounding clamps is because of the type of cable that I'm using, and it's on the outside. It's just black insulation. On the inside is aluminum flex. So for that reason, you have to ground off the tech cable, and also you see me uh, trying to get my my grounding lug connector as tight as possible. It's not supposed to be anything loose when it comes to the connection of the connectors. They're all supposed to be tight and firm. So I run another video.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to give a shout out to Trill, Elijah, One Guy's Our Uncle, Real Vice TV, Jamaica Vibe Entertainment. So in today's video, I'm going to be removing my wires from the panel to get ready for my new panel. This stove wire I won't be using anymore. Also the dryer I won't be using anymore. It's being upgraded to gas.
So hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you see in today's video, what I'm simply doing is removing the wires from the panel for a service change. Also, who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead subscribe to the channel. You can also like and share the video, and also when you subscribe to the channel, make sure your notification is turned to all, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
Also, I'm not sure why they didn't ground this wire off. I'm just going to strip this. As you can see, I like to use a lot of my planing tools. Sorry, Milwaukee.
So again, I'd like to welcome everyone who has subscribed to the channel, and also who has supported the channel. Continue to support the channel. So I can't really see the comment section. So once I come back into the video, once the video is finished, I will see the comment section. So again, thank you guys all for checking into the live. Much appreciated for the support. And so today I'm just showing videos, and once the video is finished, I'll explain a little bit what I did. Um, so inside of the that video, what you had there was simply me removing the existing panel, trying to prep my wires for the new panel, simply by making sure that all my wires are labeled. Um, I do have um, I do have the right labels on the correct wires. Important to do that. Reason being is because sometimes
the speed limit is 60 kilometers.
Because sometimes what happens is at the end of the job, you are going to have to make sure everything is labeled, and once you're done, um, there's going to be a inspection on the panel work, making sure that the panel was installed correctly. There's process uh, that we go through. First is the installation of the main feeders. You have that passed, and once that's passed, your power is turned on, and once your power is turned on, you can then you can if you're not finished connecting all your wires, you can continue connecting them. And normally, what will happen is the breakers will have to have a label on them stating where they've gone. So it's very important to remember that when it comes to panel changes. I will run another video, and
I'm still working on my installation of my new panel. So what I'm going to be doing is clearing this whole area for my new panel. I have to clear everything to make sure I have enough room. The panel will be a lot bigger. So before I install my new panel, I want to make sure that everything is cleared. No obstacles is in my way. And this is the new panel. But I'm going to be taking this panel and flipping it the other way because the main comes in this way. So for that reason, I have to flip my panel the other direction instead of being the normal way. So now this is allowed because there's a code rule that states that your breaker has to be a certain height. So this is within my certain height, so I can take this panel and flip it the other way, and that's exactly what I'm going to do to make this work. Okay, just gonna knock out the insulation. That way, once I install my panel, I don't need to play around with here because it's going to give me problems. So the key to installing a panel fast and efficiently is to prep everything. Make sure that you don't forget the simple stuff that you need to do before you install this panel. This will be one of them. So that's basically what I'm doing in this video. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Two wires into one grommet. So the trade name is grommet. It's basically a connector. I'm basically having problems with this, so I'm just going to cut this off and get rid of it. So it's now 11:18 and I'm still waiting on the inspector. He should be here around between 11 and 1. Is very messy in here. There's not a lot of room to play with. So again, these are my 2 lighting circuits here I have. I'm just going to get rid of these ground wires because So as you can see, I'm not twisting them. I'm just putting them together so they go into the same ground screw, under the same ground screw. The reason why I do not twist my wires is because if I have to, if there's a problem and I have to troubleshoot, then I have to remove all the grounds from the bar, and it just does not make sense. So I don't twist my grounds. Again, also this is just a video. Please don't try this at home. If you have to, contact a licensed electrical contractor. You can see I have a lot of wires still to go. This side is basically finished. And I always use my connector. And now this is washroom GFI, so I'm just going to mark it. I don't need a whole lot, and remember I always cut my wires one by one, never two or three. It's a dead short.
So again, what that was the actual installation of the new panel that I've installed. And the previous two videos, you would have seen me removing the actual old panel. Um, Also, you'll see me installing my connectors. It's very important uh, to to make sure that when it comes to your connectors for the wires, that you have them installed before you install the wire. Um, no wire should be touching metal against the metal when it comes to the installation of the wires going into the boxes. Um, Also, certain connectors you can use. I normally use two wires per connector. Reason being, there's a heat resistant on the wire, so
The speed limit is 50.
you don't want to put too many wires in one connector. It can cause a fire issue. Uh, and also, you would have seen me in that video prepping my connectors, prepping for my connectors, simply knocking out my knockouts, my holes on the side of the panel. Reason being is in certain situations you have to think, and in that situation, because of the panel being so close to the wall itself that was framed out, there would have been no way for me to knock out uh, those I would have been able to knock out the holes, but it would have been more work for me. So I simply knocked out the holes that I needed before I installed the actual panel. That way it doesn't give me problems. So that's basically what that video was about. And I'm going to run another video. A client's home and actually explain to them what I'm doing. I think it's very important to be able to explain to the client what you're doing and how you're going to go about doing it. A lot of people tend not to be able to explain themselves when it comes to electrical, and it's something that I think I was blessed with. So I was always able to um, explain the work that I'm doing. So I think, like I said, I think it's important to be able to explain your work and let the people know what's going on. Um, hey, Michael, what's up? Thanks for checking in, Michael. I've been doing it about 20 years now. So this year is going to be 20 years I've been in the field. Um, 20 years. Um, so about I've been licensed for about 15 years and 20 years in total. Um, 4.5 as an apprentice. And so thanks, Erika, Scott. Um, so yeah, so that's basically what's happening. So like I said, I'm not going to run or try to troubleshoot. Like I said, it's going to be a waste of time. So I'm basically going to use my bulkhead and jump over um, to the other smoke detector so I can pick up my other smokes in the home, especially on the upper level. Uh, as you know, when it comes to smoke detector, the city will have it test, so the job will never pass when it comes on to the final inspection with the city, also with the ESA inspector. It's the number one thing that they're going to want working. So I cannot go around it. I have no choice but to try to pick up whatever was damaged, basically. So um, that's basically what I have to do right now. Again, for all those who are checking into the live, double tap the screen. You can double tap the screen to like up the live, um, and for also you can subscribe to the channel, um, and make sure that you turn the notification to all. That way, you can receive my notification when it comes out. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, you can. If you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and type it in the chat. That's what I'm basically here for. Uh, like I said, I normally do my lives, and I'm starting to get back into doing my lives now. Um, After around the holidays, I kind of took a break because I was a little bit under the weather. And So yeah, so I took a little break. Um, I was a little bit under the weather, and now I'm back to doing my lives. So again, you're tuned into Saving Electrical Services YouTube. Um, so my channel is basically about electrical and about showing my videos of the work that I normally do on a daily basis. Also, in that video, you would have seen obviously explaining about the smoke detector and how important it is to pass your inspection at the end of the job. Basically, the city requires to have those smoke detectors in working condition before the once the job is finished, before it can be signed off to the homeowner. Um, Without the smoke detectors fully functioning, um, you don't get a pass until it's fixed, basically. And the reason why I used the bulkhead was because the bulkhead is basically something that's framed out for the duct work when they want to run the duct across the ceiling, and sometimes it's very difficult for them to run the duct. So I simply use the bulkhead. It's easy. Um, However, there is no duct in between that bulkhead. There is partial um, um, duct. Obviously, keep in mind that my wires cannot be close to the heating duct. It's actually a code rule on that. A couple of inches, I believe, away from the duct. So the way you take care of that is by simply using insulation. So I would have essentially picked up my smoke detectors. If you go back to a couple of my videos, you will see me pulling the wires through in order to power up the other smoke detectors inside the upper floor. Um, and reason why I know everything is powered up is simply I'm simply using the smoke detectors as a means of power for the temporary lighting. And that's another reason why you install the smoke detectors with the lighting. Um, it's actually a code room. And I'm going to run another video. And again, thank you guys all for checking into the live. And also, when I do play the videos, I don't see the comment section. So if I do back out of it, it's going to stop the video. So I'm going to maybe there's a way to do it, but I haven't figured that out yet. So I'm going to run another video. It's the number one thing that they're going to want working. So I cannot go around it. I have no choice but to try to pick up whatever was damaged, basically. So um, that's basically what I have to do right now. Again, for all those who are checking into the live, double tap the screen. You can double tap the screen to like up the live, um, and for also you can subscribe to the channel, um, and make sure that you turn the notification to all. That way, you can receive my notification when it comes out. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, you can. If you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and type it in the chat. That's what I'm basically here for. Uh, like I said, I normally do my lives, and I'm starting to get back into doing my lives now. Um, After around the holidays, I kind of took a break because I was a little bit under the weather. And
Okay, so this is basically me trying to troubleshoot so I can turn my lights on, and let's see how it goes.
hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Up, Isaac Gaza. Um, Thanks for checking in. And so today I'm basically working away on the lighting, and obviously um, a lot of times you have to double check the work. And so originally, right here was supposed to be I wasn't supposed to have this built out here. So as you can see I have two receptacles that are buried. Um, they're basically buried behind the wall, and so I basically have to bring that out, um, flush with the wall. Obviously, I haven't been on this floor, but I didn't have time to check to see what was going on. And now that I've checked, obviously I have to bring that out. So obviously I wasn't aware that they were going to be billing it out like this. And for some reason now I have to bring it out to make sure that it doesn't get buried in the drywall. Up, Gaza Libra. Thanks for checking in. And so I have to now bring this out. And obviously, it's a good thing I caught it before they installed the drywall. Uh, so it's part of the process of when you're roughing it and when you're trying to finish. You have to make sure that everything is fine and up to code. Also, I'm just trying to provide lighting inside of this area. Um, I managed to get a couple of the rooms up to par, so um, I'm going to be I'm going to be I have to spend a little bit more time on the lighting. As you guys come in, you can double tap the screen to light up the light. Uh, it's free, doesn't cost you anything. So again, yeah. So basically, I'm working on this right now. I have to obviously bring this out to the level to make sure that everything's fine once they put their drywall, and I don't really want to wait till after. So now that I'm here, I'm going to be basically trying to bring this out. Obviously, I'm going to take the same measurements. Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Up, Isaac Gaza, um, trying to provide lighting inside of this area. Um, I managed to get a couple of the rooms up to par, so um, I'm going to be I'm going to be I have to spend a little bit more time on the lighting. As you guys come in, you can double tap the screen to light up the light. Uh, it's free, doesn't cost you anything. So again, yeah. So basically, I'm working on this right now. I have to obviously bring this out to the level to make sure that everything's fine once they put their drywall, and I don't really want to wait till after. So now that I'm here, I'm going to be basically trying to bring this out. Obviously, I'm going to take the same measurements. So I always want to make sure that I have everything at the same height when it comes to working on my stuff. And that's the reason why I took my measurements. I'm going to transfer it over to the stud, and then I'm going to install my boxes. Obviously, I don't want to make it. I want to make sure that it's the same height, just to for finishing purposes. It will look a lot better, opposed to if I was to just take it off and put it at any height. Uh, doesn't really work in our trade. Uh, so obviously, you see the way I do my ladder. It's just to make sure that my ladder is stable, and sometimes it's very tricky when it comes to the actual ladder. So I don't want to play around with it. And another thing too is that's why I always leave my wire longer, because you know you never know what's going to happen at any given time when it comes to having to move stuff. So normally I try to make sure that my stuff is always always a little bit extra of wire doesn't hurt. So again, I'm just moving this because of the actual fact that so again, I'm just moving this because of the wall that was built out. And if you see, when you see me doing that, so what that video was about was again the outlet that was inside of the wall needed to come out to basically match up with the stud that was framed out. It was installed after, so it's important to walk around the job, make sure that there's nothing that's buried behind the once it's about to have drywall. Reason being is it becomes a pain to actually you know start to remove drywall, and obviously some people might back charge you. So it's important to make sure that it's being seen, and it's not buried behind the wall. So I'll play a couple more videos, and that would be it. There, you're supposed to maintain all contact on the ladder at all times. Obviously, right now, my body is touching the ladder, so that is considered part of maintaining my contact. And like you can see, I take my time. I come off my ladder to make sure both my hands are on my ladder. Um, it's very important to remember that. A lot of people tend to forget about the contact rule, and that's when most most mistakes will happen. So again, today's video is just about lighting. I'm just going around doing some temporary light. I'm using the smoke detector circuit to install my lights. Obviously, um, the reason why I'm using the smoke detector circuit is because I can power up the circuit right away. And so again, as you guys, this is just temp lighting I'm doing. As you guys come in, you can double tap the screen to light up the light. It doesn't cost anything; it's free. And I'm basically just working away on my lighting um, using the smoke detector circuit. That's how I'm going to be providing the lighting right now. So again, I'm just doing my temporary lighting with the smoke detector circuit. Uh, Fast, easy, and efficient. I will be able to turn this circuit on within no time. Obviously, the circuit is already on, but there's a connection that has to be made in order to power up these lights. So right now I'm currently not working live. There's no power inside of the circuit. But if I happen to, if for some reason, strange reason, that the circuit did liven up, I do have a set of gloves that I'm wearing. Um, these gloves basically allows me to play around with anything less than 120 volts, obviously. So again, welcome back to my channel, and also up 9 to 5 boss. Um, Thank you for checking into the live and showing the support of the channel. Much appreciated. Um, so that video was basically me prepping for my lighting. Obviously, at some point, I am going to turn those lights on eventually. Um, Reason why I use also temporary lighting, which is much cheaper lighting but obviously CSA approved. It's because at the end of the job, I don't want to have those lights not working at 100%. As you all know, lights have a certain lifespan, even bulbs, and once you tend to use them all out, you start to see, um, that they will have to be replaced eventually. So it makes no sense to start a project and you know 6 months later you have to go into change, um, a certain amount of lights because you had them running throughout the roughing stages, and it just I don't think is wise. Also, to save on the costs. It's another reason why you can do that. Also, I normally do it as I said, and I'll run another video. So I try not to keep too many things on my ladder also because it becomes a hazard. Normally, this is what I will do to check to make sure my ladder is it's okay. There's going to be no falling hazard. I normally, once I get on my ladder, I move it around like that, make sure that my ladder is safe. Um, as a hazard falling off of a ladder can be very dangerous, and it can put you out of work for a very long time. So for that reason, I take as much time as I need on my ladder. It's very important. Make sure that safety first, and you're basically not trying to rush to do your work. A lot of times when you rush, that's when the mistake is likely to happen. So I normally take my time working on the ladders. Uh, as you can see, also I have my gloves on. Normally, like I said, anything that's 120 volts, I don't require to circuit off. Um, so I normally so again I try on the ladder. There's too many things. It becomes just a hazard. Um, Also, as you guys come in, screen to like. You can also subscribe. You can also subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date to the content. Make sure that you turn the notification to all. That way you receive So again, like I said, I try not to go up on the ladder with too many things, and there's a a contact rule that you're always supposed to have your hands at all times on the ladder. So a lot of people are not aware of that. If you weren't aware of that, then be aware that when it comes to using the ladder, you're supposed to maintain all contact on the ladder at all times. Obviously, right now, my body is touching the ladder, so that is considered part of maintaining my contact. And like you can see, I take my time. I come off my ladder to make sure both my hands are on my ladder. Um, it's very important. So again, welcome back to my channel, um, Freedom Electrical Services, and up Gaza Libra. Thanks for checking into the live. Always much appreciated when you check into the live to give the support of the channel. Previous video was basically about there was two videos I ran. One would have been about me taking the necessary steps to work off of the ladder. Also, keep in mind that the ladder, it's important to make sure that your ladder is positioned the proper way. Um, a ladder can simply tumble over at any time once not properly um installed, uh, not properly being used, feet tilted, such things, missing legs, stuff like that. It's also a hazard to use anything that's damaged. Um, so I always try to maintain my contact when it comes to going up on the ladder. It's very important to maintain contact with the ladder at all times. Once you reach up there, your body becomes a contact. Also, in the previous video, uh, we see me troubleshooting the lighting using it's called a pen tester. That pen tester I normally use in cases where I have to detect current. Um, Normally, I use my multimeter, but that's quick and efficient. Uh, Anything with heavy power, I don't use it just to detect if the power is there. Always use my multimeter to make sure that there is actual power on the device. It has never failed me over the years I've been working. The only way it fails is if you simply have to replace your battery. It will probably give you some sort of false reading. Um, so I'm going to be running one last video, and that will be it. When it comes to electrical, when it comes to electrical, as you know, there could be times when there's power on, could be times when there's no power. So normally I like to use my gloves because if I do happen to touch the wire, it doesn't do me anything. If it's live, it's not going to do me anything because I'm wearing gloves. Um, anything, um, Anything that's 120 volts and less, you're allowed to carry out live activities on the circuit. Anything above 120 volts, you have to take the proper precaution. Also, all those who are checking into your light, you can light up the double tap to light up. It costs you nothing to light. So you can double tap to light up the light. Um, so basically, what I'm doing here is I'm going to be installing this. Like I said, it's just a normal light. Um, of course, I'm not going to be using it when it comes to the finishing. So again, just for temporary purposes. So again, it's also temporary purposes that I'm using my lighting. Again, you can double tap. You can double tap to light up the life. Also, another thing I like to do is I like to just take my tester, make sure there's no power, and I carry out my work accordingly, according to the So again, you can like up the live. I hope you guys are hearing me, and I hope I'm not talking to myself. I did a couple of days ago. Um, so again, this is just temporary lighting I'm doing. Obviously, these lights, I'm not going to be using them inside of the. I'm not going to be using them inside of the home. It's just for a temporary purpose. So again, the reason why I'm basically not using them is because it doesn't make sense for me to install the regular lighting right now, as the job is not is still in process, and they still have to paint and the whole 9 yards. So I don't see the need to install the regular lighting. So for that reason, I'm using the. So again, welcome back to my channel, Trading Electrical Services, and so that was basically another video I was running of the installation of the temporary lighting I'm currently doing. For all those who have missed out on the previous videos, this is just a play over of the video. And again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead subscribe to the channel. Make sure your notification is turned to all. That way you receive my videos and my live streams. Also, there's for all those who are tuned in, there's a subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and the right hand corner. Just tap on it. Go ahead. You can subscribe to the channel. Um, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live. Much appreciated for the support. I also like to thank Sasha Ice, a very big supporter of the channel, uh, always showing up whenever I go live. So I'd like to thank you for the support. Also, Movement TV, another big supporter of the channel. So again, also of the videos. Thank you for the continuing support of the channel. Continuing to make the channel grow and get my videos out into the YouTube space. So again, thank you for that. And like I said, I'll also like to thank Tim for checking into the live. Another big supporter of the channel. Always checks into the live to give the support. So thank you again. Obviously, I would have just figured out how to use the back and forth with the comment section. So I think I have that covered now. Um, Also, I'd like to thank Guys Liber for checking into the live. Another big supporter of the channel. Usually checks into the live from time to time. But channel, and also 9 to 5 Boss, another supporter of the channel. Um, I'd like to thank you. Um, uh, so again, I'd like to thank you for the support of the channel. Um, Also, 9 to 5 Boss, another great supporter of the channel. I'd like to thank you for the support of the channel. Um, Kim here, King Queen. No Sasha laughing about me over. And also, again, um, a shout out to Gaza Uncle, another big supporter of the channel. Normally checks in to support the live streams. So another um, supporter. Also, as a Mario, is another big supporter of the channel. So I'd like to thank you for the continuing support of the channel. Isaac Gaza, also another big supporter of the channel. Also, QBZ45, another big supporter of the channel and the East Badness, also another supporter of the channel. And also Mr. Gaza checks in from time to time. Um, uh, uh, Brian, also supporter of the channel, and TSC exclusive, also another supporter of the channel. Um, Still of Dancehall, also another supporter of the channel. Thank you guys for supporting the channel to continue to make it grow. Also, Orlando Fairweather, huge supporter of the channel. Uh, and Mrs. Do It Yourself, haven't seen her in a couple of days, but she's another supporter of the channel. Oh, there's a live going on. I don't see. Let me. I don't see him. All I see is a quick live from him. I don't see any lives going on from Uncle. I think that was 1 hour ago. It was for 20 minutes. Um, oh, I don't see that in my notification. I see a live that he did an hour ago. Um, don't know how long it was for. 1 hour ago, his life was. Um, okay, so like I was saying, um, that was my last video I was going to be showing. Also, so again, on the thanking all those who has subscribed to the channel. Um, Much appreciated to give the support of the channel. And again, it was a pleasure to have you all on the live, and I will catch you guys on the on the next live. Oh, the duck. Bro, I'm trying. I didn't even get chance to take it down. I know sometimes when I go, it's really strange because sometimes when I go through the StreamYard, it doesn't show up, and sometimes it shows up. So I didn't play around with it yet to even try to figure it out. I do know sometimes the screen will show up or blank. So it's I guess it's something I'm going to have to figure out. Hopefully this week to try to get it removed. Yeah, I tried changing the overlay. Um, um, okay, the overlay. Let me go into the. Yeah, but the overlay only have. I would have to add my own. I'm assuming because I think you mean create. I'm guessing that will be create a new band. Then that's what that looked like. Okay, so just where I see it is inside of the brand. Um, I've tried downloading it before, and it's a different version of what I have. But I'm assuming that you're talking about the brand. But when I press so overlay, yeah, I see the overlay. Um, um, oh, okay, there you go. Okay, now I got it, bro. I see. So now that's gone. I had to hide it. So again, like I wasn't really paying attention to it. But yeah, now that that's gone, yeah, bro. Yeah. Thank you again, Movement TV, for the help. Um, um, I didn't realize that I had to hide it to stop the duck from showing, but it looks a lot better without it now that I'm doing the live. I've been wanting to take that off for the longest time now, but you know, sometimes you get busy and you don't get the time to do it. And normally, when I was going through the StreamYard, if I go through other devices, it doesn't show up. Sometimes it shows up, so it was very frustrating for me. But again, thank you for the help. Now I know that I just have to press that to get rid of it, just hide it. So again, thank you, and also thank you for checking into the live. Much appreciated, and also much appreciated for supporting the videos and the live streams. Also, again, for all those who haven't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can make sure your notification is turned to all. Also, you can like and share the videos, also the live streams, and again, much respect for all those who checked into my live and left a comment in the comment section today. Much appreciated for the support of the channel. Uh, to continue to make it grow, um, so I can push my videos out into the YouTube world. So again, much respect, and I will catch you guys on the next live. Up Movement TV.